you know, they don't even need all of, you know, this stuff. It's just really useless. You could just, basically, tablets should just be made like this, you know? Okay, so, once we can do that, I think we can bend it all the way like that. Perfect. Yes, good stuff. Now we're at the motherboard. You see, there's the camera right there. Okay? Okay. So, I think what we're looking at here is an FZ315. That's just the typical tablet model. And, so yeah, these should be pretty simple to fix. Once you take the battery out and strip it of all the other parts, and you just get the good stuff. Yeah. So, yeah. I think what we can do is once we take the battery out, I think that this thing, we can put this back together and it will work without the battery. So I think it was just the battery that was the problem. So let's just take this thing off, and then we'll be set. Man, this is just fantastic build today, or fix, because I mean, oh, there we go. Battery's out. And now we can just go back and put it all back together. Okay, now you guys may be thinking, this looks like a lot of damage, but you know, it's not. You see, really, I mean, all you need is this, you know, that can just go right there, and then this, and you got yourself a fully functional tablet. You see, I think what they did was the manufacturers just, you know, they cut some corners making the battery, and you know, you just can't cut corners. You really just can't have batteries. I mean, it just defeats the purpose of electronics. I mean, so we've got my soldering iron heating up, because this is how we're going to be putting it back together with some duct tape. So we're just gonna, right now we just gotta lay the pieces all back, you know, how we think they should go. So maybe like that. You know, that can go right there. Yeah, we don't need that. I guess this looks important, so that can go right there. I don't think we need the screen, but you know, might as well just put a little bit on. Just put a little screen on. There we go. Okay. I think that is a good looking tablet. So let's duct tape this on for temporary seal, and then we'll solder a bit, and then I think our tablet will be fully functional. This looks like a nice tablet. Now, so I think what we can do with this is, because this just kind of looks like a temporary seal, even though it would probably work just like this. Now we want to make a more permanent seal with our soldering iron. Ooh, yep. I think this looks better than what we started with. I mean, it just looks like such a reliable, durable product, and I mean, I just think this is, you know, if you want a nice looking tablet, this is what you want. Okay, so let's put it back in our case, and we'll be ready. Perfect. We just got a perfectly reliable, durable tablet that can last, I don't know, for forever. So, yeah, thanks for joining me on this this journey of fixing our broken tablet, and I'll see you next time.